The motherfucking noise. City of Traders. Hey, voordat ik ga verder skippen naar de volgende song, heb ik even een a cappella voor jullie. Dus een beetje knowledge and wisdom. I don't give a fuck how you think about it. Just listen and judge yourself. I'm on the warpath, stuck to a machete. You fucking with me, you piece of bitch, you fuck with the best. Most of you corny motherfuckers I see nowadays are whack. So I'll commit murders when you ain't seeing shit, nigga, when it's pitch black. Yo, fuck the music industry as a matter of fact. Because I'm staying independent like my nigga Tech. I'll drag you all the way to Butcher's Bay and sever your head. There's no escape, my place is full of booby traps. So make one fucking move and you faggots are dead. Or lying in your own pool of blood, begging to live with a knife in your neck. I like the way the shit's hanging out of your chest. This was the last time you threatened my people with slavery and death. Never had a reparation, so kiss my South African ass. I'm the reincarnated soul of a slave, still pissed about Africa's past. A lowlife, underground nigga who ain't rich. Just trying to make some bread, my brother, so I can support my fam, my peeps, my girl and kids. Cause I had enough of being a slave of the system, motherfucker, I'm really fed up with this shit. But it's more where that came from.